Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to add audio spectrum in Capcut. First of all, you can open the Capcut application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can now tap on new project, and after tapping on new project, you can select the video or photo. Here I can select this video. After selecting the video, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN, it's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply see the option effects at the bottom left side of the screen that is needing to captions. Tap on effects, and after tapping on effects you can now tap on video effects again, and here you can now search for audio spectrum, and you can search audio spectrum, and here you can see the different effects. You can select any effect that you like to enter in your project, and it is the way you can add audio spectrum in CapCut. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.